Hi, my name is Joe Marcantonio, Teen Librarian at the Schaumburg Township District Library, and this is the Quaranteened Cooking Show. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make pickles at your own home. So instead of the canning process, which involves a lot of waiting, we are just going to microwave these and get the wait time down to nothing. So we're going to start by chopping our cucumbers into slices, and we'll need about a third of a white onion for this recipe. Alright guys, after you've chopped your cucumber and your onion, you're going to put it into a bowl, and now we're going to add the ingredients for pickles, which is simply 1 cup vinegar, 3/4 cup of sugar, and then a little over 1/8 to 1/4 cup of pickling spice. Now, I made my own pickling spice. You guys can look up your own recipe, but pickling spice does come as a store-bought seasoning. And then we're going to mix everything really well. Alright, and then the last step is to put them in the microwave. We're going to do it about 8 minutes and stir once in between. What we want is for the onions to become translucent. Alright, and here we go. Alright guys, as you can see, the onions are completely cooked. So the cucumbers, we're going to give this a nice final stir. And then I hope you have more of those mason jars from last week, because you're just going to fill up a couple of mason jars with the finished pickles, let them cool, and they're ready to eat. Since these aren't actually canned, go ahead and eat these in about, give them a month or two. But these aren't going to last because they're not traditionally canned and preserved. Alright? Thanks for joining us for another episode of the Quarantined Cooking Show, and we'll see you next week.